Alright, we're about to land. And I'm speaking over the captain's voice already. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh shit, they have the alarms already. Okay, so that means we gotta get down here. We gotta start hiding real quick. Gotta get out of here. I'm gonna need my partner to turn on your mic. Come on, man, turn it on. What the fuck's going on? Why won't you turn on your goddamn mic? Come on, man. I don't got time for this shit, man. Come on. Fuck. All I got is a pistol. That ain't cool. Fuck. I need something better. I need something more, something way better than that shit. Come on. Let's see. Well, I got a shotgun, but man, I don't like shotguns. Fuck. Man, partner, turn on your goddamn mic. What the fuck, man? Come on. Turn your mic on. I'm trying to listen to you. God damn it. The fuck you want to hide your voice for? Hurry up. Turn it on. This is a battle royal. This is a duel battle royal. 2-man battle royal, man. Come on. Okay, then let me get this AK. This is what I'm using now. Fuck it. Come on, let's go. Oh shit.
I got it.
Alright. Actually, I'm gonna use this one now. Fuck that. Come on, let's go. Alright. Look, man, I don't know what the fuck what's wrong with you? Turn on your goddamn mic. I heard somebody right now. Oh, there he goes. Fuck. Alright. Here he come. What the fuck? Man, why is he running? Where is he? Oh shit, he's back there. He's back there. He's back there. Oh, I'm about that. Oh, there he goes. Alright. Alright, I gotta get this thing. Man, let me get that sniper though. I need that. Alright, recover. Alright, good job. Good going, man. Oh shit, there's somebody right there. He is popped out of nowhere, man. Shit. Oh, hey, kill him. Fuck. Wonder what he got. Alright, let's see. Alright. Wonder what he got here.
What?
What the fuck? Oh shit. Partner. Oh, he ran right through my partner. Man, what the fuck? What the hell's wrong with you? You just let him up here like, oh my god, man. Come on. Step your game up, nigga, man. Come on, man. You gotta step your game up. Oh shit, I forgot to turn this shit off. Come on. Sorry, I can't be calling people right now. I'm in the middle of a war. Shit. I ain't trying to die yet. Alright, let me heal real quick though. I need to do that. Alright, let's go. Alright, we gotta start moving around, man. Come on. Okay, let's see. Let me fix this vest real quick, cause I'm gonna need it at good or somewhat good. Oh shit. Okay, there's 2 cars here. Which one? Nah, I'm gonna go with this one. Come on, man. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Alright. Oh shit. I'm having trouble. Hold on. There we go. Alright. Alright, so we're moving now. Man, you gotta turn on your mic for real, man. That ain't cool. I can't hear a word you're saying. I don't know what you're doing. Man, come on. It can't work like that, man. Come on. Turn on your mic. I mean, I know you're shooting, but that don't help me at all. Shit, I need you talking. Look at this. Alright, we gotta stop here. Come on, man. You got upgrade already. Come on. Shit. I don't even hear a word you're saying, man. Come on. You gotta step your game up, man. Come on. Oh shit, I think I see somebody over there. Oh hell yeah, he's shooting at me now. What the fuck? What the hell he thinks he is? Alright, got him. He overheated a little bit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, I got you now, man. I got you. Boom. You're dead already. Come on. Can't beat me. Alright, we're driving now. Gotta get this box over here. Alright. Dreading it. Alright, got the stuff that I need. Let me heal up real quick.
EMP drone ready.
So let's see. I see them over there though. Oh, they're fighting. Ooh. Oh, got him. Got both of them. Oh, see, that's how good I am. I saw them fighting. I still took both of them down. Let me switch this real quick. All right. Oh man, look at this nigga. He didn't do shit. He's over here taking everything, man. All right, whatever. All right, here we go. I'll go get the next box. Alright, I'm running as fast as I can. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster. There we go. Yes, in case you didn't know, that's Sonic's theme song. Alright, I think I heard something. Oh, there he goes. You should have just kept going, man. You should have just kept going. You should have never stopped. Should have just kept going. Never stop. Oh. Alright. Oh shit. The fuck? Somebody shot me? Or no, somebody shot me. Oh shit. Oh, they took my partner down too. Fuck. I don't see. Oh, I see him now. I see him. Man, I can't help you, partner, right now, man. I can't help you. Man, I just wish you'd have been talking to me though. Shit. You want to turn on your mic? I mean, shit, man. I had him a little bit, but I think he's running away now. Can't do anything. I gotta snipe him down. Gotta snipe this fucker down. Oh shit, he's fighting somebody else. What the fuck? Alright. Alright, boom. Okay, let's see. He's over there. Man, this fool really wants me to save him. Oh, I can't. Okay. I tried, partner, but sorry, I couldn't do it. Shit. It was too many battles going on around here. But I'm bringing you back, don't worry. I'm scanning your dog tag, I'm gonna bring you back.
Dog tags have been scanned successfully. Your teammate will return to the battle when the next revive flight arrives.
Alright. Oh shit, there's somebody else over there. Took him down. Man, that took like 30 rounds just to get him. Damn.
Half of the teams are eliminated.
Alright.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Hold on, I gotta drop this thing. Hell no. I need to get a better one. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's see. Let's see what's in here.
Flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Alright. Looks good. I need to drop that. Boom, there we go.
Collapsing. Airdrop has been delivered.
Alright, gotta move around. I don't know. I see a car over there. Alright. So where's this car going? Okay. Okay. My partner should be coming back in 30 seconds. Alright, so while I'm at it, I gotta hold it down for now. Because if I don't, my partner can't come back. Alright. So let's see. Where are we? Where was he? I know I had seen him. Oh. Huh. You think you could hide from me, huh? Alright. Oh shit. Where are you? What the fuck? What the hell? You saw how fast he went? Oh shit! Oh! He caught me! Oh shit! What the hell? Woohoo! Man. Oh shit, I got heal. I need heal right now real quick. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I'm getting shot at. Oh. 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 Gotta jump. Oh. Alright. Where are you, man? Hell nah. Huh? Oh shit, that's a full team right there. Oh, took one down. Gotta kill this guy though. Gotta kill him. Gotta kill him. Boom. Alright, 2 for 1 right there. Oh shit, what the fuck? Somebody else is attacking me. Oh. My vest was destroyed already. What the hell? Oh shit. There he goes. There he goes. Right. Thank you for clouding. Alright, now we gotta move out. Shit. Gotta fix this vest right here. I mean, something's better than nothing though. Alright. Damn, my partner just got killed again. Fuck. Man. And somebody took a tank? Oh shit. I don't know what to do, man. Oh fuck. My partner's dead already. And I need to take care of that tank. Fuck. Shit, I don't know what to do. Should I go after his dog tag? Oh shit. Nah, I don't think I'll make it though. Oh shit. Nah, I ain't making it. Nope. Nope. It's done for. I ain't making it. Shit. Shit, man, nah, fuck it. I gotta go. I gotta turn around. Fuck it. Sorry, partner. You may rest in peace. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna take this tank right now, real quick. Alright, now. Alright, let's see. Took this tank. I'm ready for war. Now I'm ready to fight the other tank. What is that? I see something. What's that? Oh shit. I tried to blow it up, but it wouldn't. Yeah, that thing is going fast. Yeah, he's going straight to the safe zone. Alright, let me lock him in real quick. Let me lock him in. I missed again. He's gone. He's gone. Oh. Oh shit, I accidentally went out. Alright, here we come. Here I come. I'm like a predator right now. I'm like a lion. That's what they call me, the Texan lion. Oh hell no, who's shooting? Oh hell, I know you ain't shooting. Damn it. Man, I wanna show you something real quick right now. I'm gonna keep on shooting. Keep on shooting. Yep, that's what you get. Man, you never shoot a tank like that. You always try to blow it up with a rocket launcher. Throw poisonous gas at the person inside. Don't shoot it with no baby gun, man. Alright, where's the other one? Oh, there he goes. Alright, I'm gonna take him down. Oh, he's also shooting me down. Oh, let's see who goes down first. Alright, let's see. Alright. Okay, he's on fire already. Okay, oh shit, he almost blew me up. Oh. Thank you guys, and thank you for being here.